Updating your billing address on Evernote is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your Evernote account. Visit the Evernote website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner. Step 3. Select billing information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your address. Find the section for your billing address. Enter your new address information in the appropriate fields, ensuring all details are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new billing address is saved. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing address updated on Evernote. Regularly checking your account information can help prevent any billing issues in the future.